Hello, Randy Rain here, and I have the BoToy robot Mr. T, and he pities the fool who doesn't watch this video. This is
Randy Robot Garage.
Yeah, so this robot was sent in by Christopher, a friend that I have online that we chat about robots from time to time. And when he sends in a robot, he sends in a robot. This thing is in like immaculate condition, all right? So the box is in perfect condition. No tears, no nothing, no scratches, no nothing. The robot is in perfect condition. And see the battery compartments down here. And it looks like there has never been batteries in here ever. So if we put some batteries in here, turn it on, nothing. Now that's the motor. There's a button here. Button does nothing. Now, BoToy is the ones that made the Pyro bots and the Force bots and all that stuff. And I think they were trying to make a big version of that. Because if you look at the box here, there's some stuff that is just marked out with like a Sharpie marker. And one of them says, moving arms. So it's number 2 is supposed to say, moving arms with flashing laser ray gun. And it just says with flashing laser ray gun. And then the other one is harder to see, but I know the last 2 words are left, right with flashing visor and top light. So I think it's supposed to say, the first word is head. And I think it says head moves left and right with red flashing visor and top light. Well, the head doesn't move. You move the head back and forth, and you can move the arms now. But with the original little small Pyro bots, as it does this, the head does that too. And I bet you that's what they originally intended to do, but obviously not. Alright, so time to open this thing up and see why something that looks brand new isn't working. As I was shooting the opening here, all of a sudden it kind of started working. Now, of course, the switch still not turning on the motor, but even with this switch off, that's in the off position, when I push the talk button, and that's it. There it is. Hello, I am a robot. I come from space. I am your friend. Alright, so obviously the motor is all gummed up, not working. There's probably, even though it has never even been used, there's probably some cracked gears. Obviously this is not a record player. This is electronic, so this is early type of thing like this. And it's pretty much just the new bright, like some sort of, atomic robot type of thing. I mean, it's exact same thing. 4 screws back here and then 2 tabs. Which I hate tabs. This has some extra screws down here though. This is different than like the Tommy Atomics. I see a date here of 1986. Because this thing does blow smoke. It's got some weird spring thing across here. Oh, that's, I don't know, that's weird. This thing is just like a, a Magic Mike or the Atomic robot, but like made better. And check out this neon. It's like a day glow going on here. Well, that's some 80s stuff. But just like the other ones, it has these stupid tabs right here. Yeah. This one, that looks good. Get off of there. Okay, I see melted. I see this gear's cracked. That gear down there that's always cracked, that one's cracked. Alright, so this is the one that gets the black on it. But I'm going to scratch there. This one, which I'm not sure what that is. I bet it's to make the lights blink or something. But the rest, this, I mean, first of all, we got this gear. It even has the rim on it. Yeah, it's cracked. That would be your, looks like a 9-tooth actually. Yeah, mine doesn't have the little ridge, but I don't need it for this. This one will work just fine. There's another one down here. It was cracking. And that's the 8-tooth gear. Still not big enough, is it? So the gear is just a little bit too small. And you just take a drill bit and kind of just do it by hand. And that allows you to get it pretty straight. And that was a 5/64 drill bit. It's either too far. Come on. We'll try that. Let's have a look at this motor. I'm sure it just hasn't been turned on in a while. Or ever. Come on. You know what? It's like, yeah, it's fine. The grease is even fine. It's like never even turned before. That's the problem, was it's never even turned before. So I'm just going to put this right back. Find that notch. This goes back. Just put a little voltage to this. A little 3-in-1 oil. Power back on. Technically, you can just go ahead and melt it again. Alright, well, it worked. marks. Okay, so scratchy side. Got this one and the black one together. Okay. And you had this one on the side. Alright, let's put some batteries in. Hit the switch. No lights turned on. There's lights all over this thing. And I don't know about the smoke. It's probably never had any oil in it, but you put oil, just some 3-in-1 oil, right down there. And it should puff out here. And turn it on. This will go here. Oh, I do see some blinky lights there. I don't see any puffing. Something seems off, though. I don't see any smoke. The eyes lit up here, barely. Okay, in case those batteries are just not any good. It's supposed to be good. Some direct power here. It's definitely the batteries. We've got light here. There's some smoke. The gun just started working. It just wasn't making good connection. I see backpack is now working back there. Lights here. Just have some dead batteries, it looks like. So yeah, there's a little switch down there. And that was finally making good contact. That was one of the problems why the lights weren't working. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little squirt of WD-40. Can't hurt. Go ahead and put this back there. Oh yeah, right here. See this peg right here? It was meant to make this arm and head move. That's exactly how the little pyro bots work. It's supposed to make it go But that didn't happen. So a little Sharpie marker took care of that. I like their little spring method here. Just put a spring across there, bam, you're done. That's one way to do it, for sure. Okay, that spring thing's kind of annoying now. But I do like you can put this top piece in without having to mess and fight the bottom. But my damn thing came out. Look at that. Some bitch. Get on there. That's pretty tight on there. But if that doesn't do it, then I'm getting some new tubing so I can stop skimping on the tube. Did you already do it? Son of a bitch, you already did it. pretty sure I got it all. Go ahead and put in a couple screws here on the bottom. I don't want this thing falling apart while I'm testing it here. Oh yeah, there's smoke. I probably should have put this on already, because sometimes that shaft will move. But that goes on. And this gear, it looks fine. That's good because I don't have one. There we go. And this gear I don't have either. It's but it goes in there. And then the side with the hump goes where the gear is. And that's back together. So there it is, the BoToy Mr. T robot. It also comes with this thing. I don't know what in the world this is. It just says Robot Mr. T, and looks like he's a fan of the Texas Rangers. That's what I get out of that. So now he does everything it says, smoke and puffing and mysterious bump and go. And not those things. It doesn't do those things where it's scratched out. And then, so I guess with everything working in the box, it's worth $5,000, whatever those are. Seems like a lot to me, but you want to see it go? Well, let's see it go. Warning, it's slow. It's puffing smoke, and so it goes until you push the button. So as you push the button, it's going to stop and talk. So I'm assuming the T stands for talk, and it's the Mr. Talk robot. I don't think they know who Mr. T is. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, sure would appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I want to thank these people right here. These are patrons. These are people helping me out. They are helping me do this and helping me make these videos, put a video out every week and every Saturday. So thank these people for that. I sure do. Anyway, if you want to become a patron, there's of course perks. Go check the link out. Anyway, I pity the fool who didn't watch this video. That was
Randi Robot Garage.